What is a data breach under PIPEDA? Imagine waking up to find that your personal information has been accessed without your permission. This is what a data breach feels like, and under the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, or PIPEDA, it has a specific definition. A data breach is essentially the loss of, unauthorized access to, or unauthorized disclosure of personal information. This can happen due to a failure in an organization's security measures that are supposed to protect that information. Think about it. If someone hacks into a system or if there is a ransomware attack, that is a data breach. Even if personal information is leaked accidentally, it still counts as a breach under PIPEDA. Organizations that collect, use, or disclose personal information of Canadian residents must have strong security safeguards in place to protect that data. When a breach occurs, organizations need to assess if it poses a real risk of significant harm to individuals. This harm can be physical, emotional, financial, or even reputational. If there is a risk, the organization has specific obligations to fulfill. They must notify the Privacy Commissioner of Canada as soon as possible after discovering the breach. They also need to inform the individuals affected about what happened and the potential risks they face. Keeping detailed records of all breaches is another requirement. This includes the date of the breach, a description of what happened, the type of information involved, and whether notifications were made. The notifications must contain specific information so that affected individuals and the Privacy Commissioner can understand the breach and take necessary protective actions. In the context of artificial intelligence law and technology law, knowing what a data breach is under PIPEDA is essential. Many artificial intelligence systems handle large amounts of personal data. Organizations using these technologies must ensure their data protection measures are strong enough to prevent unauthorized access or disclosure. Additionally, artificial intelligence systems should be designed to detect breaches quickly and comply with notification requirements. Companies that use artificial intelligence must integrate privacy and security principles from the start. This helps ensure that their systems do not become a source of data breaches. They also need to maintain records of any breaches to show they are following PIPEDA's rules. In essence, a data breach under PIPEDA is any incident where personal information is lost, accessed, or disclosed without authorization due to weak security measures. When this happens, organizations must notify affected individuals and keep records, especially if there is a real risk of significant harm. This framework is vital for organizations in the artificial intelligence and technology sectors to ensure they comply with privacy laws and protect personal data.